how to turn on or turn off text chat on your account on Blizzard Battle.net on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to blizzard.com. This is the home page. Now go here on my account, click on account settings, so it will take you directly to battle.net. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Click on privacy and communication and then click here on update, and here you will find text chat and you will be able to enable it or disable it easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.